Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. Nice to meet you. It is a new month. It is a new year. It's 2023. Isn't that freaking awesome? Because, you know, these past couple years have sucked, okay? They've sucked. They've sucked so hard. Let's be real here. Everybody else is afraid to say it. I'll say it. It sucked pretty hard. So, as usual, I have my Boxycharm box. This one here is the... I chopped it open, so the base box is right on the inside, and we've got some fun goodies in here. Here's So Fresh and So Clean, obviously to kind of go with the new year, new start, new you type of deal, whatever. So let's pull out this first one. Ooh. Okay, so this is the LiQWYD Beauty Plasma Gloss, all over iridescent bronze, gold gloss, multifunctional, buildable, eyes, cheeks, and lips. Oh, that'll be pretty. All right, so let's open this up. I already ripped the box. Ooh, this is in Quasar Goo. To kind of go with this is an aesthetically pleasing container. It's almost like MAC-esque, but not really MAC-esque. Sealed for my protection. It smells plasticky, petroleum-y, but this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Okay, so it feels like potted gloss, but my hands run hot usually, but melts in your hands. Let's see. For a gloss, you got some pretty awesome color payoff. That'd be fun to, okay, so we're gonna have to use that. I have my little makeup kit that I bring with me to work. I only do my eyes, once in a while my lips if I feel like it, but we're gonna have to put that on for the after look. Okay, this runs for $18. It's a new launch, so yeah, I really like it. It's dried down some. It is a little sticky, so be mindful of that. Next, yes, I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. I've always wanted to try this. It runs for $20. Waterproof formula that lasts up to 12 hours, and it's got a unique applicator. So let's see. I chose the color dark brown because for obvious reasons. It's really nice. It's small. It's almost like the Benefit Cosmetics version. I'm gonna use, I've been using my, you remember from whenever I did the different eyebrow applications, right? So I have the L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen, and that's what I've been using to kind of do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use this and put this on over it. All right, next we have Persona. This is the E-Balm Tinted Lip Tinted Lip Balm. This runs for $22. Feel good comfort anytime. So what is, okay, manifest. Let's see what we can manifest out of the year. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very much in Persona fashion. Oh, this is pretty. I know it looks like super red on camera, but it's more like a deeper type of, I don't know how to explain it. Let's try. See what I mean? It's like, it's not like a cherry red. Damn, that feels good. It feels so good. It's really smooth. It's not sticky. It's actually really, really light. Okay, let's just make sure I didn't get it in my teeth because I thought I saw something. Yeah, not bad. And you only needed, you saw like the one swipe. I only needed a little bit. So that's a keeper. Next, we have Dime Beauty Company. Okay, this is their eyelash boost serum. Runs for $48. Improved length, density, and strength of hair follicle, amino acids, and peptides. So, let us see. You know, I don't mind that things are in packages or boxes and stuff, but make it a little bit easier to open up, please. Wow, this is heavy. This is heavy as shit. So that's what it looks like. Okay. When I say it's heavy, like it's heavy. I'm curious. Okay, so apply at the root of your lashes. Thank you. Thank you, Captain Obvious. But I like how they say instead of applying to eyelashes, apply to the root where it needs to be. Let's try, just for ha-has. Ooh. So that's what the applicator looks like. Doesn't smell like any, you know what? No, it smells like, you know, like the vitamin E oils that you get from Marshall's in those little bottles. Just for ha-has. Let's apply. See how that works. I tried an eyelash serum that I got from Marshall's once, and let me tell you something, that literally burned my eyeballs. Let's apply. Make it multi-use, right? But seriously, burned my eyeballs. My eyes were tearing, bright red. Was not fun. So needless to say, that was chucked in the trash. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this and try this and see how you know, well it works, and I'll get back to you and report to you. Last but not least, we have Touch in Soul Waterful Glow Cream. Look at it, it's so pretty. This runs for $38. It's a skin tightening cream. It's lightweight, has collagen, hyaluronic acid, so definitely face cream for moisture. It says youthful all day glow. So work on fine lines and wrinkles because your girl's aging. I don't see why it wouldn't. Let's give it a try. So this is what it looks like. I think it's so pretty. Touch in Soul, their packaging is pretty awesome. I'm feeling it. Okay. Wow, it almost looks like the Tarte, you know, like the Amazon, the water gel. I'm trying to get it to where you can see it. There. Looks like the water gel, right? Isn't that crazy? Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like very faint fruit, but very clean. I know that's like practically half the products and shit, other shit that's out there, but this has a very distinct smell. It smells like something and it's coming to me and I can't remember for the life of me what it is. So feel very jelly. It has to be water-based. So let's put it on. I forgot to put on an eye moisturizer anyways. Y'all know me and my skincare. It makes me smile. Oh man, this is like cooling almost because it's all water-based and it's a light gel. This feels really, really good. So looking at everything, I'm looking at about $150 worth of product that I received in this box. Stay tuned for my next several videos, especially my next Boxycharm unboxing, as well as the, what the hell are they calling it now? Mega Drop Shop or something like that. I got some goodies there. Needed some daytime moisturizer, and I'm definitely going to be using that. It just feels really, really good on my skin. And don't forget my giveaway, which will commence after the Boxy Premium unboxing. Okay, so pause one or hold one, and I'm going to do my little makeup look. All right, my love, so this is the finished look. Using this and this in combination worked out very nicely. I have some of the illuminator, this gold goo or quasar goo on my face. I love it. I'm really, really liking it. But thank you again so much for watching my video. my little clip thing here. And I will go ahead and put in the announcement when my next video will be available. Okay, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe. Bye.